Have you ever wondered that why your Wi-Fi is very slow, or you suspect that someone is connected to your network or the internet without taking your permission? You can easily identify the devices which are connected within your network, and we can easily recognize them. If you find any unknown device within your network, so easily you can change the password later on. So there is a tool called advanced IP scanner. So we will install that tool in our machine, and we will do the practical. I will show you the practical way to do this. So easily you can detect those devices, and you can change the password later on. So for this purpose you don't require any technical background or technical knowledge. So easily we can do this thing. So let's get started. So guys, now we are in the Windows machine. So just go to the Google. So you can go to the Google and just type here advanced IP scan. Okay, let me turn on the internet. Now let's do the refresh once. So this one you need to download. So this is the website. So you just click on this free download. So automatically it will get installed in your system. The software still it is loading. Yeah, now you can see here it is getting downloaded, right? So installation is also very easy. It's a pretty simple. Okay, just select this one, click on that, or else go to the location where it was downloaded. Now just select language as English. Now it will show you two options. Just select the first one and just click on next and accept the agreement. Just click on install and just say yes and just click on yes again. Now it will get installed in your system. Now just let's run this run advanced IP scanner. Now just click on finish here. So this is the interface. So now this related to this tool advanced IP scanner. Just click on scan option. It will automatically pick up your own network and the devices which are connected within your network. Okay, so let's wait for it. So you can see my name here. My name is Banu Prakash. So it's showing the MAC address of the device and the IP address of the device. So to find out the IP address of my own device, you can just go to the internet, and or else just you can say open the command prompt and just say IP config. If it is Windows means we need to say IP config, or else if it is Linux means if config we use, right? So just you can see here, mine is 192.168.56.1. I think that's what it found, right? See, you can see here the first IP it was detected mine only. My system IP only it is showing. So you can see all the other devices which are connected within my network. In this way, easily you can identify each device, and if you find any unknown device, you can change your Wi-Fi password. So that's it, guys. Now you know how to detect those unknown devices within your network, and easily you can, if you identify any such type of devices, easily you can change the password, right? So in if you found this content helpful, please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and for more tech videos like this. Thank you.